Hi, I'm Scott with Home Perfect Restoration, and in this video, I want to talk about deductibles. We get questions all the time. Do I pay you my deductible now? Do I pay the deductible at the end of the job? Am I paying my insurance company my deductible? So I want to talk about that and see if we can help you through this process. Some companies will handle deductibles differently. Some may require deductible up front because they're extending labor and material costs, and they're trying to recoup some of that money, because sometimes dealing with insurance companies, you may not get paid for 3, 4, 5 months. Some companies will just handle the deductible on the repair side because some homeowners may not choose to do all of the repairs, or they want to do some of the repairs themselves so they can offset some of that out-of-pocket cost. Your deductible is your out-of-pocket expense. So in a situation where you have a $20,000 estimate that is approved by insurance, the insurance company is going to send you $19,000, or even maybe less in the beginning because they may hold back some depreciation. But your $1,000 deductible is the money that you will be paying first to your contractor, and then the carrier is going to pay that additional money up to the approved amount. In a situation that you have a $1,000 deductible and say the damage to your home is only $900, you will not get a check from the insurance company because it didn't exceed your deductible. So really in that situation, there's no reason to even have a claim. So just remember that your deductible is your out-of-pocket expense to the contractor doing the work. Your carrier is covering everything over and above that. You are not paying a deductible to the carrier. The carrier is simply removing your out-of-pocket expense, being your deductible, from their check of what they are paying you to make you whole for the repair of your home. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, 951-303-1333.